dorje chanche de lo na ro da ma ba me la che che ga bo ba de sa she ja ken ken karma ba she she choy ge je pan ze na da nian da zha mian yin gen da rinpo che riwan pa sam ge xin de chen pa ma mo pa yin lo do ko lo rinpo che norbo rinpo che simo rinpo che sa she
다들라 답을 하기에는 막 얘는 쉬나 뒤라야 니래 뒤모 뒤네 뒤드니즘 지시 써야 봐도 요즘도 개발전 뒤드니즘 지시 전주를 지고 요즘도 삼발에 니래 뒤모는 아집이 동에 미즈병 삼바오 개발의 생기 동에 미즈베 삼배서 초가라 니래 뒤모그 초가네 담볼로메 러변라 소아답 되네 러변기 구조숨기 땡기 지향을 쳐본 병원도 안 했어. 야나 대만 좀 구조숨 넘걸 미리 이 차를 쳐볼라. 러변기 지수 러면 되게 접을 차례. 상계를 지수 좀 하다 달라 공수수. 러변 달라 공수수. 다음인 디시기와 든든의 손. 지지 전주에 보는 지기보다 건이는 이죠. 상계를 기술죠. 되사다 저는 이 추천을 기술죠. 소원을 기죠. 긴줄을 기술죠. 닝타바네 셰레 닝타바네 레숨 데바오 케버지기 초가네 저와등 루시데 제솜 타보네 계신이 된도로와라 맨데메도 저 별로 소아답 되네 계신이 되다 로마드 디버스미르데 데시 네네도로 케라시 놈타보 구조가 된다 쳐바심 교수송 편에도 마송이 님이시야 놈니바랑 루시 초가 차디 타본 뉴네슈브 유라 구정의 유시게네 차도 저 별로 러변기 지수 되게 죄도 상계의 지수만 탐제다라 고수 러변다라 고수 다음에 디시기ው 뉴진의 손 지지네 지지 전중이 보는 시기보다 건이나 미수 상계 좀 되는 나는 교수 좀 되셔다 저와는 위죠 시원양에는 대비셔나로 교수 소원을 위죠 봐봐 전주서 7m 밖에 뉴나로 교수 시엘렌 숨줘도 되네 응버도 유지한다 무슨도 얼미 차다 줘봐비라 다 지지 케 진행에 3배 공원들을 겸돌려 숫자고 되네 더 코난 이유라 고수는 어서 답이 주기 차도 줘봐비라 교수로 하네 최담전 대만에 다음에지 지용어야 마주배 상계의 최다 기준 야 대지도 통화를 되는 미습이 겹다베 용동이 겹이는 대들어야 마주배 쉬면 돌래 성심에 비해서 교수송 강하시는 최담전 매버시는 수수마이 최도마이 최수마이 바상계 안타버로 통하는 상계를 교수송 최담지 최기인 이제수송 통하는 최라 교수송 뉴제는 뉴마지 인이즈 매버 통하는 그들의 교수송 시송소 놈숨발의 제기 적어도 구조로 따라가 적으면 제벨레네 도대게네 세와탄의 담지당에 손탄의 담인 지소 티보민발의 대지 겹지 담법 시송대 대한 뒷목이 겸주네 세와 담지당에 수수 탐마인 받은 지소다와 놈을 겹하고 겹어지기 겸주네 티보민발 매지의 꾼을 겹하고 랍자를 지혜 랍졌음 제라가 랍졌음 최dwi게 랍졌음도 구유에도 대라 당번에 뒤에다도 구조셔발을 점을 제지 타나 랑 세지서 표기에 셔발은 소다 자기 지행 구조 명하다 구조의 연디 제수 되면거네 안에야도 교수 도와라 랍르죠 대다가 제라가 랍졌음래 상계를 교수서 하시는 교수면 도와든 돈양에 대해서는 상계달을 교수 되는 야다기 남야라시는 교수서 민주르시에 순서 Chöle gyabsu simjenal number chawa mijaden dole kyang. Tambe chöle gyabsu nöje sewe sumdata xie songso. Gendule gyabsu mudi jana miden baden dole kyang. Gendula ne gyabsu mudi jana chom yu xie songso. Chedinbe labja sumle. 군조 상기 군조 대한 지지집에 구조 타나 차세 처동 연재로 규ber 차와다 최 군조가 대 담적이 보대다 리범 타나 인주 대 인주 연재로 규ber 차와다 긴두 군조가 대대베 셔로 타나 세변 해바다 연재로 규ber 차 교수 소화 배열에게 나바 상기 버주바 나바 탐적이 대는 규라다 나르제기 디와 탐제 세브르 규와다 미다 미마이 베 파르제기 미조바다 사병어 탐제 주바다 유선함 전보다 대물 규와다 손도 미동와다 뉴도 양다 버죠
To begin by reading from the Jewel Ornament of Liberation on page 141, the time, there is also two sets of durations. In the common refuge, one takes refuge from now as long as till the end of this life. In the special refuge, one takes refuge from this time onward until ultimate enlightenment is achieved. The motivation is, there are also two types of motivation. The common motivation is to take refuge with the thought of one's own unbearable suffering. The special one is to take refuge with the thought of others' unbearable suffering. The ceremony, there are two types of refuge ceremony. In the common refuge ceremony, first the disciple supplicates to perform the master to perform the ceremony, and then the master makes offerings in front of the three jewels. If this cannot be arranged, then the disciple should visualize the three jewels in space and mentally prostrate and make offerings. Then the disciple repeats after the master and says, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, think of me. Master, think of me. I named, then say your name. From this time until I achieve enlightenment, take refuge in all the Buddhas, the supreme among those with 2 feet. I take refuge in the Dharma, the supreme among all of the freedoms from attachment. I take refuge in the Sangha, the supreme among communities. Repeat this 3 times from the heart. The superior ceremony consists of the preparation, the actual ceremony, and the conclusion. For the preparation, first a qualified master who is worthy of being served is offered a mandala with flowers and then requested to perform the ceremony. The spiritual master will accept if the disciple belongs to the Mahayana family and is a proper vessel. On the first day, he prepares the objects of refuge, the sources of refuge, performs the offerings, and explains the beneficial effects of taking refuge and the faults of not taking refuge. For the actual ceremony, on the second day, he performs the actual ceremony. First, the disciple cultivates the mind that the sources of refuge in front of him are the actual refuges, does prostrations and makes offerings. Then he repeats after the master in this way. Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, think of me. Masters, think of me. I named so-and-so. From this time until I achieve Buddhahood, take refuge in all the Buddhas, the supreme among all those with 2 feet. I take refuge in the Dharma of peace and nirvana, supreme among all freedoms from attachment. I take refuge in the Sangha, the supreme assembly of irreversible bodhisattvas. Thus repeat 3 times. After that, the clearly visualized sources of refuge are invited, and the disciple visualizes them as actually present, prostrates, and makes offerings. Then thinking, now you know what should be done, he repeats the refuge ceremony 3 times as before. After that, he prostrates and makes offerings to the suchness source of refuge, free of the 3 spheres. All phenomena are primordially selfless, not established as having any essence. The Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha should also be seen in this way. This is the inexhaustible, eternal, unchanging, constant refuge. The sutra requested by Anavatapta reads, what is taking refuge with a mind free from busyness? Those who realize that all phenomena are non-existent and have no form, are not attributes and are not phenomena, see the Buddha perfectly. That is taking refuge in the Buddha. Those who realize all phenomena are the nature of the Dharmadhatu are taking refuge in the Dharma. One who realizes that the composite and non-composite are non-dual is taking refuge in the Sangha. The conclusion. On the 3rd day is the conclusion ceremony where one makes offerings to the 3 jewels with gratitude. The functions of refuge. The Ornament of Mahayana Sutra says, protection from all harm, freedom from the lower realms and being unskilled, or from being unlearned, freedom from the view that there is a person, protection from the lower vehicles. Thus it is the noble refuge. Thus, the common refuge protects one from all harms, the three lower realms, the unskillful means, and belief in an abiding person. The special refuge protects one from the lower vehicles and so forth. The precepts of refuge. There are 3 general precepts, 3 particular precepts, and 3 conducive precepts. The 3 general precepts consist of making a constant effort to make offerings to the 3 jewels, even in offering whatever one eats or drinks, not forsaking the 3 jewels even at the risk of one's own life or for great rewards, and repeatedly taking refuge by recollecting the qualities of the 3 jewels. The 3 particular precepts are, having taken refuge in the Buddhas, one should not take refuge in any other worldly gods. The Sutra of Great Parinirvana says, one who takes refuge in the Buddha is the pure spiritual practitioner. Never go for refuge to other deities. Having taken refuge in the Dharma, one should not harm other sentient beings. It says in the Sutra, by taking refuge in the precious Dharma, one's mind should be free from malice and the wish to harm others. Having taken refuge in the Sangha, one should not rely on non-Buddhists. As it says in the Sutra, by taking refuge in the Sangha, one should not follow non-Buddhists. The 3 conducive trainings are to respect representations of the jewel of the Buddha in every form, even a piece of tsatsa, to respect the representations of the jewel of the Dharma, the books and texts of the precious Dharma, even a single syllable, and to respect the representations of the jewel of the Sangha, the Buddha's robes, or even the patch of yellow cloth. The benefits of refuge. There are 8 benefits of taking refuge. One enters into the Buddhist path. Refuge becomes the foundation for all other precepts. Refuge becomes the cause for purification of all negative karmas accumulated earlier. One cannot be thwarted by the different human and non-human obstacles. One accomplishes all that one wishes. One is caused to gather the 2 accumulations. One will not fall in the lower realms, and one quickly achieves the perfect enlightenment.
다 디갑리아 디 투몽기 차가송비 갑리아 데네 듄디네 손디 지지 제주님 볼사 디 바지 이게 디에서 노르데바도 섬으로 다지 가르스나 투몽기 뒤송비 갑리아 지지 소에 봐도 레제즈 소요아래 데네 투몽기 차가 갑리 임비냐 단 드네 손디 지시 소에 봐도 사지 근데 용과야 임발라 지시 제주님 봐도 소아데 디스 가수에다 이게 디 노르데바면도 사지 근데 요래.
In the passage describing the common, the ritual for going for the common refuge, it says that I named such and such take refuge until achieving supreme enlightenment. However, this seems to be, this is probably a mistake in the text. And the reason for this is that in describing the duration of the common refuge, it's said to last until the end of this life, or as long as I am living. And so here it should probably read, I named such and such take refuge as long as I live. And so where it says that I take refuge until achieving the essence of enlightenment is probably a mistake.
데네 단도나 겸주고 슈규사네 안드링디 겸주 유디 슈규인 겸주스 저 유디 겸주 저 유스콜이야 도주 슈빈 증면서.
So now, during this discussion of the going for refuge, I thought I would speak in brief about the sources of refuge today.
다들이야 교수들 유들이야 아는 구조를 무슨 나봤음 상계처럼 이제 구조를 무슨 나봤음 이 말에
The sources of refuge are the three jewels, the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha.
군조숨 이바 군조숨 샤바도 지고래 되면 군조숨 소수기 ngōngē sōng samara, ngōngē sōng 군조 소수 남자 세베 돌이야. 되네 티바 다 오마 samara 왜 년뒤 대배 로당. 되네 티바 신비기 로데 조세민라를 치기 어디가 있으래.
The vehicles of the listeners and the Mahayana are the same in going for refuge, in saying that the sources of refuge are the three jewels. However, the manner in which they identify the nature of those of each of those objects, or the way in which they make the presentations of those sources of refuge, are different.
텔라야 년뒤 대배 로데 가장 쉬는 신기 다 망보지 슈가스케 민도데 임비나다 년뒤 대배 로리아 아니 상계 군조디 가르샤낭 사람 상계 제베치스 상계 제베치 다 밀로블람 대샤임 버레드니 주사 년뒤 대배 로라다 직샤나 상계 군조당 그 상계리아 여체고 맨로 야나 템바샤게토 발이야 상계사데 상계 따바와 마도베 다 상계 응어디 상계 제베체 밀로블라는 샤고 예당 야나 상계 샤게토 버더부디 상계 응어 이내다 상계 구조 마인사르지 근데 여체고 예다 나테고 딱지샤 니 제디 상계 샤가도 받아보디 상계 인라 상계 군조 마인스 라고 얘란 직디 상계 샤가도 받아보디 상계 딱바와에마도 상계 원에디 상계 제비시 밀어놓으시오.
Now, as I mentioned yesterday, it is not necessary to speak about the tradition of the listeners in too much detail. However, here, generally in the tradition of the listeners, in identifying the jewel of the Buddha, they identify this as being the qualities that make him into the qualities that make one a Buddha, and that is the path of no more learning. And so in this way, we have to distinguish between that and between the jewel of the Buddha. For example, with our teacher, the Buddha Shakyamuni, the Buddha Shakyamuni, in this case, he's not the qualities that makes one into the Buddha. So he would be, one could say that he is nominally a Buddha. The actual Buddha is the quality that makes one into a Buddha. Another way to describe this is to say that the Shakyamuni Buddha is an actual Buddha. However, he is not the jewel of the Buddha because he is not the qualities that make one into a Buddha, the path of no more learning.
다드네 다 텐더블 다 가는 년주 대회로리아 고란데 시주 미라도 두시아야 다 구조선 소소 남자 미라샤야 다디 리레이션 슈 먹어 제상 증명도 something.
And so, thus, in the tradition of in the way that the listener vehicle explains things, there are different traditions of identifying each of the three jewels, and it's not necessary to go through each of these.
다드네 Dadi Golia Tene Keverjing Yusumbe Golia, that Keverjin Summer. Teaching 2 moments, that the Degi Camdru Yusumbe Goliata, Camdru the Ne Koran Tagen Arola, Sangen Kusum Gidani, Chen Tabeju Shiva the Young and Deva. Can you such a navigation somebody is the song?
Now here, when we talk about the sources of refuge for the special sort of refuge, that is the special sources of refuge in the particular Mahayana tradition, what it says in the jewel ornament of liberation is that the Buddha is the character, the nature of the 3 kayas, the Dharma is peace and nirvana, and the Sangha are the bodhisattvas dwelling on the great bodhisattva levels.
Tan di gaulia sangye di nga su tibashim gyulame denjwe ne sumbege ene sangye dyuma chabala sobe yonde geda dembe kamne thadu de sangye su shawi mina paje thagen liya thagen da dis tunche waru mero samthang di karasana dene sangye di thadu gi kep 타도기 잡데 상게 코나이 베 드브젤이야 티버심이 규라메기 다 롱망부시 타나야래 레주사 디규젤데네 아니 상게 모암 상게 친이 샤베 걸림비냐 바지 티버심이 규라마네 소베기 디마샤발라서베 연데 게단데 베겸네 타도 디 샤베이나 드그멘도 섬드르 쳔도
Now, when describing the Buddha in the Mahayana, according to the Supreme Continuum, the Mahayana Uttara Tantra Shastra, the Buddha is presented as having the 8 qualities of being non-composite and so forth, and this is the ultimate Buddha. And this seems to be very, very compatible with the presentation in the Jewel Ornament of Liberation. The reason for saying this is that below, when it presents makes the presentation that the only ultimate source of refuge is the Buddha, the Jewel Ornament of Liberation cites several verses from the Supreme Continuum. And so for this reason, when discussing the essence or the characteristics of the Buddha, then I think it is probably okay to then say that the ultimate Buddha is therefore also the 8 qualities of being non-composite and so forth that are taught in the Supreme Continuum.
Dibasmi gyolami denjwe danolea duma cheshi lungi du shengi gengi tome ba kenda zeda nyubra de tuni demba sangye nyes marbe ta diniru jik baje sunyu siye dini indusan ta digi jidangi sangye gi rungshin namda ge yunden da lubru chay da ge yunden da dine jidawa kenbe yunden da chinyi ba kenbe yunden da daganan shingi 这位原点党，女辈原点党，这呢，让对不是所谓原点，现对不是所谓原点，是吧？他的这个，他说原点阶段，两百七送月不来。
And so the 8 qualities of the Buddha are as described in the verse from the Supreme Continuum as non-composite and spontaneous, not realized by other conditions and so forth. And so each of these verses, the meaning of this is that the nature of the Buddha would be first that he is, that his nature is utterly pure by nature, that he is free of the adventitious stains. He has the wisdom that knows the nature of all phenomena, and the wisdom that knows the manifestations of all phenomena. He has the quality of love, the quality of kindness, and likewise also the perfection of benefit for self and for others.
Quality of power.
The quality of power, yes.
Okay. 다들은 최군적 신이대야. 그래, 네 사매님의 도움을 받아서니 비추니 이din이 신이 전에 최스제 딱 한다라 사매님의 님의 도움을라서베 연된 예단된베 다 파베기기 남장가 덴바사르지바 파베기기 남장가 덴바 다들이지리야 샤고면로 섬트기요.
Now the qualities of the jewel of the Dharma are the qualities again listed in the verse from the Supreme Continuum, which reads inconceivable, non-dual, and free of thought, and so forth. So there are 8 qualities discussed in this verse. And so I think it's okay to say that the jewel of the Dharma would therefore be the thoroughly pure teachings that are within the stream of being of a noble individual.
다들은 긴두구조디 지대진이 나은 이시스바 당아버지 라메 가자. 다 야버 증입니다. 지대진이 나은 이시스바 당아버지 가자 라메 가자 지지 밥에 가서 지세 줘다. 다들은 유산 다디기 주주기 연대 계단대베 다디기 밥에 긴두 신이 되면 다들이야 주주기 연대 계단대베 차나샤베 다 파고디 자고 있으래.
The nature of the Sangha is also described in a verse from the Supreme Continuum, which describes the Sangha as having the 8 qualities of logic and liberation. And so, in this terms, it is presented in terms of the nobles the noble Sangha of those who have these 8 qualities.
다 되게 티진 투모 마인비에게 감주유 군조숨기 땅오 남샤로디 다 노르디바 좀 세비면 드르르 진스레다 제버 세비면 아니 시라브지 가르브다 시라 가르브레 드르르 연데 소솔라야 남샤 제버첸 단 시라 자유베레
So that is an overview of the sources of refuge in the special tradition of the Mahayana. If we were to explain them in depth, then we could give long explanations of each of these qualities.
다디나네 누마 체신사 상계기 유엔den게 시에베도리안 누마 체신사들이야 근데 버지 가르버지 투모메인베 타겐기 숑더 튜베 투모메인베 가르버다지 다지당 타겐 나는 다 들리면은 투모메인베 남샤왕부 체야 유스 삼청도 누마 체신사들 투모메인 남샤왕부 체야 유스를 디까네지 인사를 삼청이에요. 가르에서는 다지 추구 다 수구 남반이부터 뉴마체베 꾸인다 마인사데 들려야지 투모가 남샤 망부지 시야에서 삼청이에요. 가르에서는 아주 릭 샤베 걸루야 릭 남샤 샤베 걸루야 타겐기 숑기 측신 왕점을 잡아서 말아. 측 왕점을 잡아야겠나? 근데 정신 남다디 두마체 다 모두 두마체 버지샤 정도 맞아요. 근데 되게 좀 Rikshebe Kolia. Roshin number of Rikdi, this is the massive Gingur Ridi, but in Dumaching or Jisha in Dustane. That Namji, the Gingur Ridi Naba, Sukunama Nibati, Gingur Rilden, the Joy to shave in Dustana. And you did Dumachina, Jebudi, Dumachet of Jamata Beta. Kaderuzina something though, the Indian Dujer Shadow in a manner. The Indus until G. Shiraki Karzodasi. Two more main beach, Namshama Chai, can I chamber is something.
Now, when talking about the 8 qualities of the Buddha, the first of these is that he's non-composite. The Buddha is non-composite. And so this is, I think, very much fits with the particular presentation within the jewel ornament of liberation. And there are many very special presentations here within the jewel ornament of liberation, but this is one, it's a special presentation that is also actually a very difficult point. So the reason is, with the Buddha, for the Buddha there's the Dharmakaya, but there are also the 2 form kayas. And whether they are composite or non-composite is a difficult point and a particular presentation for this. Now, the reason for this is that in presenting the Buddha nature in the first chapter, the Buddha nature or family, there are 2 types of the Buddha nature and family, and one of these is the developing type of family. And this is described in the jewel ornament as being composite by nature. Now, and it's because of the 2 form kayas arise because of this developing family or developing potential. And since that developing potential is composite, composites have results that are also composites. And so this is a very difficult point, and it is one of the special presentations here and a point that needs a lot of analysis.
Tadane Gindukujo Sumbi Kabli Biliam, Gindukujo de Sachambol Nevation, Samba Sumbi in Dusane, Dritembe the Zoe Gindu Summerway, Gindu Zoro de Paji Tawa Salane, Samba Shagwa, such a Chagamerosum, the Ribichendo, Chidangi Kajwe. Gindugujo Kabdi Gindugunjo de Kondashubanazi, Rijugu and the Geda damage to Shagare. The natives are Pawayina, Rijugu and the Geda Demaimbe, Rijugu and the Nida Demaimbe, Rijugu and the Geda Demaimbe, Machaps. The natives are the Machavijuns and the Papa Ina Arureta. Tadi mencha tosum gidibasa mencha tosum sa tadi duya de kabushdo takanda dodor de pabayina rurugi yönde yeda dembe machabichi rurugi yönde ida dembe kyavja rurugi yönde yeda dembe machabsa rujiki ar takandara kabdi dengi gindugujo zodina tabasasun nebe and chanju somebody basi shagoya surchi ta imbene 되게 되네 파베 긴주 탐지 긴주군조 마인스 될라고 말다 이미네 긴주군조 쪼르디 아니 다바서서는 내외 쳐주면서 샤고야 맨으로서
Now, here in the jewel ornament, it says that the jewel of the Sangha are those bodhisattvas who dwell on the high bodhisattva levels. And so this is identifying the primary Sangha here. So the primary Sangha is the bodhisattvas who dwell on the 3 pure bodhisattva levels, that is the 8th, 9th, and 10th. Now generally when we talk about the jewel of the Sangha, it is said that they have the 8 qualities of logic and liberation. And when we talk about noble individuals in general, then noble individuals do have the two qualities of logic and liberation. However, they don't necessarily have all 8 of the qualities meant here by logic and liberation. And the reason for this is that the nobles have different types of obscurations, different levels of obscurations. And so we can say that in brief, though all nobles do have the qualities of logic and of liberation, they do not necessarily have all 8 qualities of logic and liberation. And so, for that reason, it is those on the 3 pure bodhisattva levels that are here meant as the primary sangha, because they have all 8 of these qualities. This is not saying that all other nobles are not part of the jewel of the sangha. It's just saying that they are not the principal jewel of the sangha. The principal jewel of the sangha here refers to those on the 3 pure bodhisattva levels.
다나 생기 담배 쉬어야지. 담배 쉬어 양해는 돼봤어. 두선두산다. 지단기 단디급이야 고된 고베 덴바 숨겨하다. 고베 덴바디 남윤지 가르에 런시남다게 다 차르큐베 런시남바다베 차르큐베다 윤대섬으로 다 들으질이야 샤고요래 대인비냐 갑들이야지 냥해는 잡았사디 런시남다게 차르큐베게 가르다 큐바점마이바다 티지 이시는 지 샤고 면서서는 이시 고된 샤단들이야 아야 단도지 시라기 가셔야지 제바로 시라치야 유서 삼정이요.
Now for the jewel of the Dharma, here the true Dharma here is identified as the peace and nirvana. So this is generally identified as meaning the truth of cessation. Usually when we talk about the truth of sensation, we mean the aspect of being being naturally pure. But here, in discussing the nirvana that is meant here, it's not just the aspect of being completely pure. It is probably also indicates the mental consciousness. And so that is what is meant here. The mental consciousness is meant here, and this is an area that also will require a great deal of analysis.
남준다 동니 고쳐버사 송도 동니 고쳐버사 동니 고쳐버사디 덴베 동베 동니 자마이마 동니 고쳐버사데 버지 가르에 이시는 비질이야 샤고메로 섬브르지 송송진이메 이시 진르비 샤고메로 섬브르지 다 간다디 제방 뭐 차이스래.
Excuse me, I'd like to correct my previous translation. The cessation here is not mental consciousness, rather it is wisdom. And so the ultimate purity that is also wisdom. Now to translate what His Holiness just said. In terms of, usually when we think about emptiness, for emptiness that is truly effective emptiness or useful emptiness, then it is not merely the emptiness of being empty of true existence. Rather, we also need to understand it as being wisdom, and this is the wisdom that is empty, that is free of both the apprehender and the apprehended, or the perceiver and the perceived.
다 드네 다 잡았겠도 다 디젤이야 드네 껍질이야 내가부터 터도 이게 개발 다 타견을 송유비 인도살라 내가부터 터도 이게 개발지 도도 수조 샤이.
In the Jewel Ornament of Liberation, it speaks about the distinction between the temporary and the ultimate sources of refuge. So I'd like to speak about the difference between the temporary and the ultimate refuge now.
다들이야 방실 루비치지 메시지의 제베치 최능이다 밥에서 땡기 yap셔 뭐이 노세지 다들 저기 거네 균진 넘버 C 거네 로블럼기 뒤베기 캡 탐시 타도 이게 뭐인바 내가 비켜인 받던 말에
As it says, because they're given up and deceptive, non-existent, and fearful, the two types of Dharma and the noble Sangha are not the supreme lasting refuge. And so here, all of the sources of refuge that are on the path of learning are not the ultimate source of refuge. They are temporary refuges.
다들 담배 트는 저의 겸니 상계 녀식이 투바 최기 구진시 초기한테 터도 치를 제 다든데기 다되게 가르된 거라서 터도 있게 상계 코라인 받던 거예요 그래.
Where it says ultimately the refuge of beings is the Buddhas alone, because the sages have the Dharmakaya and the Sangha ultimately becomes that. So this identifies the ultimate refuge as being the Buddha alone.
다들 인주산에 다 되게 빼나 가르에 로베 규기 로바 파베 규기 동영 숨도베기 시도부대 랑게 모겔이야 치마 매경 다 되나 치마 마방아 치마 랑게 모겔을 치마 탐지 매경 다 가르에 되나 치마 탐지 마방아 인비 유사 디균전에 되네 다디 가르에지 온도 타르투베스나 승단 빠와자와 인소다 온도 터도 규를 개베잖아 안다감지 가르로 승단 빠와자와 다들 인주산에 들이 송어래지
So to give an analogy of this, the wisdom that directly realizes emptiness during for the nobles who are in equipoise on the path of training, in its essence, in terms of its essence, is free of all stains. It has no stains at all. And so that is how it is in terms of its essence. But in actuality, they have not eliminated all of the stains yet. And so for that reason, it is, as it is said in the Jewel Ornament of Liberation, it is discarded after you have traversed the path like a boat.
근데 로바 파바 대수이네요. 가르죠 땡이 깨면 비균센데 러니 직과단 제바다 러니 다 가르죠 겹쳐외 가사 겹시 현래야 겹쳐외 가사로 즉 러니 직과탄 러니 제바다 제베 가사다 집에는 민 시집당 시집인 직과다 제베 가사 다는 신기 겹쳐외 가서 겹땡 도나 현래 겹땡 괴베 가사로 건로차디 여베 인두산에 디균zel라 데네 잠내 타르토버데 마인스.
Likewise, the nobles who are on the path of learning are not the ultimate source of refuge. And the reason for this is that they themselves have fear, and they themselves seek other sources of refuge. And so they have the fear. The fear that they have is the fear of the obscuration, of the cognitive obscurations, or alternatively, they are individuals who seek another source of refuge. They need to rely upon another source of refuge. So for this reason, they themselves are not the ultimate source of refuge.
다는 답변하긴 그런기다 주문이 공부대 가르잖아. 되는 코알 규지 주는 머리가 심비 주로. 된 주버드 남상시는 상계베잖아 상화인스들 소위인도잖아. 니난 주베 박사 소리 니난 주베다 박사로디 마세게 받아 디시도단 라니 니난 주베 직버드 제바 니난 주베기 주베드 니난 주베 박사의 제바 인도잖아. 디 윤전 되네. 가지고 터도기 겸만 봐. 그런 세브를 차도면서 정도.
In terms of the special presentation of the jewel ornament of liberation, in the prologue to the text it says, what causes the confusion of samsara? It is great ignorance. When is that great ignorance dispelled? It is dispelled upon achieving Buddhahood. And so here, until we have exhausted or eliminated all of the imprints that cause the confusion of dualistic appearances, then until that, up through that point, we have fear of the fear of the confusion of dualistic appearances. We have the imprints of the confusion of dualistic appearances, and so this is the reason why they're not the ultimate source of refuge.
다전에 투바상계 좀된데 더부디 터도 교임의 윤선대 가라사나 다 최기 군예배 군예바 임비치를 사르다 최기 군예바 인자 대균선라 때네 전에 터도 교배래.
The reason why the sage, the completely perfect Buddha, is the ultimate source of refuge is because he has gained the Dharmakaya. So because he has attained the Dharmakaya, then he is the ultimate source of refuge.
dornachi lamjir dreba tartu basedu santa be dan be drosap be tartu bandobdi 가지고 상계 최 냠서 레네 비 drosap tartu bandobdi 상계 공부해 버래 시자 디균zel 때네 람jir dreba tartu be 겹디 타도 겹사나 안다 된 담배 겹사나 안다 다디 다 집어 차대요 알아 남지 주바 타르토바 마인 비캡데 내가 고 있자왕 군소 비캡 되는 줄이야 관련 고유스래.
And so when it says one has completely traversed the path, so having completely traversed the path, this means coming to the final destination. And the final destination in Buddha Dharma is to achieve the state of Buddhahood. So when we say that we've traversed the path or come to the end of the path, this means that they've come to the culmination of the path. It means that they're the ultimate source of refuge or the final source of refuge. These two are the same. Those who have not completely traversed the path are a temporary source of refuge or a relative source of refuge.
다와나 터도 위캡디 템바 상계 지부마도 상계 군조 지부마도 많이 비나 근데 군조 숨 자고 김세미도 가서 라비미나 근데 유라메 된줄래 되네 템바 라브진 이티버스도 제스도 매번 남기 왕체네 접수 넘버 샤와 인체제 되네 접수 넘버 샤와 될이야 다 다들 저기 거바당 goba 개발진 게 왕의 교수 넘버 샤바인 바 숨버래.
Well then, if the ultimate refuge is only the jewel of the Buddha, you might wonder, why is it that that we talk about the three jewels? In the jewel ornament, it presents the citation from the Supreme Continuum, which reads, because of the teacher, teachings, and students, the three refuges are presented in terms of three vehicles, three activities, and interests. And so there is a particular reason for presenting the three jewels as sources of refuge.
Today, you stand nega ugyab saadi, lam jedreba tartukba. Maina lam dene lam jedreba tartukba. Lam jedreba tartukba yonsu mazoba ineya. Yonsu zobar tarna we chane. Da shawe gyab druji dene shago yusre.
And so the temporary or relative sources of refuge may not have completely traversed the path, but even though they have not completed the path, it's as if they have completed or have almost completed the path, and so in this respect they are presented as refuge.
Da telaya nega ugyab telaya yawa chebi ne chweda giduni yabre. Thadu ugyab telaya dene sangi jiboru chita du shakwa isre.
And so in this way, we'd have to say that for the temporary refuge, there are two, the Dharma and the Sangha, and for the ultimate refuge, there is one, the Buddha.
다들이 도나 지당기 된담바도 군주비 겹사야지 남규 된담도 군주비 겹사야지 순고야 된담도 군주비 겹사야지 바 남샤 체단래야 민주와 가시지 용되게 있으래 되네 될래야 규라메기 공부하는 시체네 내가보다 터두기 고네 적당직당 되네 난 가시기 탄에 대한 탄예담 된담대매고는 탄예담보다 된담대매고는 정당으로 지다. 다가나 신기 조단 패바 뭐보다 딱바와 다 진짜기 거는 정당으로 망보지 용데 있으래. 다 이면에 급들이야 지 된담다 터도 가서 된담다 구조 위ገብ디 규라메 공부하는 시체네. 되네 내가보다 터도 위ገብ이 민기관에 저보다 늘지 살아야 섬정이에요.
So it's often said that there are the ultimate refuges and the relative refuge, and there are different ways of explaining and presenting the ultimate and the relative refuge. In terms of the intent of the Supreme Continuum, the Uttara Tantra Shastra, it is presented in terms of being the temporary refuge or the ultimate or the final refuge. Some speak of it in terms of the difference between the conventional source of refuge and the ultimate sources of refuge. Still others talk about the difference between the primary source of refuge and the ordinary sources of refuge, or in terms of the actual and the nominal sources of refuge. Here, however, it is presented as in the Supreme Continuum in terms of the temporary and the final or ultimate sources of refuge.
다 텐더 군조 숨보디 capsu회의 균세함 가수회 군조 숨보디 오늘 전에 다지 가족이 깜네 지 깜네 가수회 깜네 스탬프 이비나 다캡 투구야 봐 아줄이야지 깜네 홍리야 군조 숨보리야 깜네 슈회의 균세함도 가려슬라입니다. 텔레야 남균 조디 당부 뜸바 조바 상기 좀 된데 뜸배기 상계기 상계의 겹수에 버시나 최다 긴dünya 슈기 겹수에 버신거래 스타니 디준셀 때네 조디 된 뜸바 겹수에 상계디 겹수에 봐 디 셰버디 다 조승구에 그래.
In terms of the reasons why the three jewels are worthy sources of refuge, why it is that if we follow them or if we approach them, they will be able to grant to give us refuge. Why they why the three jewels are worthy to ask for refuge. Usually, when we speak about this, we speak about the teacher, the completely perfect Buddha. If we are taught, if we understand, if it is explicitly explained why the Buddha is worthy, the Buddha is worthy of going for refuge too, then we can implicitly or automatically understand why the Dharma and the Sangha are worthy of going for refuge, why it's worthy of going for refuge to the Dharma and Sangha. And so for that reason, it primarily talks about the reasons why the Buddha is worthy of going for refuge.
다들이야 균세 당부디 가르사나 란 지고 탐제를 채와 임베 차네 아주 겹서베 균세 당부디 제레스 데네 겹서베 균세 니버디 신 지고를 채 탑락해 봐스 신 지고를 드웨게 탑락해 봐디 겹서베 균세 니버디 대송을 알아 다 겹서베 균세 수버디 데네 투지 시험보는 일이 매봐 소마르다 투지 시험보는 일이 매봐 이 균세를 되네 교수의 균세 수바드 상을 알아서 데네 교수 데네 펜타와다 마다와 탐지기 된세베 차네 교수의 균세 시바드 상을 알아서
Now, the first reason why the Buddha is a worthy source of refuge is because he himself is freed from all fear. So that is the first reason. The second reason is that the Buddha is skilled in bringing others to freedom from fear. That is the second reason. The third reason is that the Buddha has no close or distant in his compassion. So that is the third reason why the Buddha is a worthy source of refuge. And the fourth reason is that the Buddha works for the sake of all sentient beings, those whom he is able to help and those whom he is not.
된제기 거는 다지 상계디 껴서야 봐. 다 오늘 저녁에 다지 깜내는 저지 인방 아주 하고이미나 상계의 송배기 담배 최대한 껴서야 봐. 아주 통도그랬어. 시도그랬어. 그래서나 진짜 상계 코란 된제비기 가르쳐야지. 개발도 방법으로 드시려고 입니다. 뒤송배 최대한 루아메바 뎀바. 저래 사버러지기 땅에 시러지기 기여버려 최대 밀로임바 지가르에 시에트비미나 텔라테네 아니 긴준라 접서 통과하라 가라서나 긴준디서 밀로에게 최암 밀로에 남래야 쇼네 텔라야 냠는 시대에 인사 디균선을 되네 되네 가르에 긴준야 밀로와 냠내임바 냠내기 루아메베 껴임바 능이 신동토르스
When we know that the Buddha is a worthy source of refuge, that he is an actual source of refuge, then at that point we can see or know that the Dharma which he taught is also able to provide us refuge. The reason for this is that when we see what a great and superior being the Buddha is, then we understand and we can we develop certainty that the Dharma which he taught is also undeceiving. And once we realize that the Dharma that he taught is undeceiving, then we will also understand that the Sangha is a worthy source of refuge. The reason why the Sangha is a worthy source of refuge is because they have entered the path of the undeceiving Dharma. They practice that path, that undeceiving path of Dharma. And so for this reason we can also have certainty that the Sangha is an undeceiving source of refuge.
다들 이제래야 교수 손에 채서만 지점이 교수 손에서 근데 교수 손에 채서는 장도 야나 다 교수 가서에 손마송기 채신도부터 가르쳐야이나 다들 남기 도안에 통맥이 도안에 소반는 신기 되네 대연된시아바 개버시아바 드네 켈렘바 셴도 미모와 시권에 교수선이미나 아니 가르쳐다지 교수선 세시디 롱위에스 송야래 다 당부디 군조숨이 연된시아바 다드네 니바데 군조숨기 남편주기 개버시아바 다드네 켈렘바 군조숨 가수로다 수수 때문에 켈렘서 다 잡수 송아 그렇지 때문에 뭐 켈렘 다전에 시바디 셴도 미마와서들 셴도 미마와서들잖아 다 버지 군조숨을 셴베 때문에 켈 밀렘바 들으지 있어서 섬사르도
Now next is the question of the measure of going for refuge. How can we determine, how can we measure whether we've actually gone for refuge? And this is discussed by Asanga in his Vinashaya Samuchaya, the compendium of ascertainments. And he says that there are 4 qualities that going for refuge should have. The first is that we know the qualities of the 3 jewels. The second is that we know the distinctions of the 3 jewels. That is, we know the distinctions between each of the jewels. The third is that we accept, or that we commit to, that we accept the 3 jewels. In other words,
there are different qualities to recognize.
So for the second, the distinctions, it's to recognize the different qualities of each of the jewels. The third is to accept the 3 jewels, or to commit to them. And the fourth is to not say that you're going for refuge to others. And so this probably means that you are not going for refuge to other sources of refuge.
다 당분이 이 연대시아바다 개발시아바사데 디스 깔레르 자오르마다 시다시나 깔레 규마르서 보스 디스 수수 깔레르 곁토이미나 아는 바지 시라 시에메도 버지 유기마르서 정해죠 다 드네 켈렘바사데 다 켈렘바사데 다 남주제레 가수레 상겔리아 최tem바벤 뉴시체 되는 최래야 되는 경무기 주시체 되는 긴줄이야 대대보다 담배 최두배리 조수송 조변 두시체 되게 겹수라 되이버래 안 되는 주사다 되는 잠도 시주상 가두이네다 잠도 제단으로 되지죠 겹수로당 대고조선 잠내 스케일랜다로 되지제 되는 제 미세 강해 스케미도
Now, of these 4 qualities, the first 2, knowing the qualities of 3 Buddhas and understanding the distinctions, there are some difficulties there, but if you put some effort into it, then there's nothing that we cannot understand. The third aspect of the measure of going for refuge is accepting them. And so this is generally generally, as we often present the way we think of going for refuge, it is to consider or to conceive of the Buddha as the teacher of the Dharma, and to conceive of the Dharma as the actual refuge, and to conceive of the Sangha as our companions upon the path of practicing the Dharma. And so this is the way we normally think of the three jewels when we go for refuge, the way we normally go for refuge. And so there's nothing terribly difficult about this either.
다 드네 셴도 미마와사 디스칼레르 녀가사셔르 디바지 데레섬 등에 가르사는 꿀조 숨네 셴베 짬네 셴케 밀렘바사데 다들이 인두사네 다 남바 상기베사디 지당 그 남바다 치바다 남베기 여와치야디 지 가시에게 따와까다 차기시에 권에 여와치야를 들이 숨고요하래 아 다디 임베네야 다 용자들야 아니 신디바다 조지기 세반는 신기 드네 치바 남바 짬주케 숨만나시다 남바 상기베 인다 마인사데 다 간다 꾸조숨리야教授中嘛，都在工作上，开始为了这今年是开来没来，但是这个过呢，下个月没得，但不是用着了是不是？
It's the fourth one that is the most difficult, the not accepting the other sources of refuge. And so this means that we are not accepting anyone other than the three jewels as a sort of refuge. So this is the most difficult one. Now generally when we distinguish between Buddhas and non-Buddhists, there are some who say that the distinction depends upon whether or not one accepts the four seals of the view. But the most well-known distinction is the distinction of the masters Shantipa and Atisha, who said that the distinction between Buddhists and non-Buddhists is the distinction of whether they go for refuge. And so, as is generally accepted, then if someone has, a Buddhist is someone who has gone for refuge to the three jewels, who accepts the three jewels as the sources of refuge.
다대야 지 군조선로야 깸내수 진바섬 시기 바지 가데르 지근다 지당 깸 군조선 깸 소마서 송레리 임비네 다 깸선 도당대야 안다가스 지 군조선기 군조선 깸내도 켈레 군조선리야 바 가슈지 깸슈 데바섬 시기 나버스님 차토 안에서 딱한도나 그럼 나와 사데 조데 군조선데 자외 깸내도 켈레 군조선데 깸내게 조 켈레 다든 켈레마 드지 고여비므레 마다베게 군조선에야 켈레 군조선 켈레비네야 이제 소소 로이 시불이야 저네야 깸내 신다지 켈레 깸내 군조선 뭐인비 깸내지 자외 깸내게 담버체 임베네 군조선데 다 깸내 그 제일 봐 여버삼식이 바지 다 나버를 차도 안에 성장도 드레인주산에 나버사디 지미지 다 구조스부디 깸내게 담밤 깸내게 조 자외 깸내서 켈레머를 드리지 바지 고유스를 삼적이요
But merely considering the three jewels to be a source of refuge, and merely accepting them as a source of refuge, it's a question of whether that actually makes you into a Buddhist, if that's enough. If you just go for just ask the three jewels for refuge, but if you don't actually, I wonder if that's enough to make you into an authentic Buddhist or not. So in order to be an authentic Buddhist, you have to go to the three jewels as your primary source of refuge, your main source of refuge. If you go for refuge to the three jewels, but in the depths of your heart, you also think that there are other sources of refuge, some other source of refuge who's your primary source of refuge or your main foundational source of refuge, but then you also include the three jewels among the ranks of those who can give you refuge, then I sort of wonder whether or not you're actually Buddhist or not. And so in order to really truly be a Buddhist, you need to accept the three jewels as the highest source of refuge, or the primary sources of refuge, or the basic or foundational sources of refuge.
Telea drumji xiaya the drumdi. Omodi amdo erigi bomboji yaras. Erig zade lumbaji mi. Amdochi. Amdo erigi bomboji yaras. Ta bombodi lase chuan jagachim. Lase chu. Lase chu jagan chine ta lasalea dene ta nezan yarsar jorba. Jonghang. Nesan yasar guest house. That guest house Nesan tilde Nesan digi amadigi. Tene tadi amdo ngari arigni yombe pombotela. Kola labji gabres. Kyoran lase chowa jaga chimbi rona. Tene kyoranga amcha sombre dina lola dina anda kebalea serda genja mangu dos sesa tigi tisuli abojin karjoi mi abota sabsabchi mato lasa di thakbe singa mina kuma mangbo yares kuma re ni yares tinde inju sane tizu khai hago mare tinde inju sane kuzu kuma kwa nyanga are kuma kusona tene chenje shube pen meba nimi yongres tipo mambo sogres le lapsi kyavres.
There's a story about this. Once there was a chieftain from the region of Ari in Amdo. And so this chieftain from Ari, which is a small area, it's an area in Amdo, he went to Lhasa to see the Jo Shakyamuni statue. And when he got there, he stayed in a guest house there. And the landlady of that guest house then told that chieftain from Amdo, she gave him a little bit of advice. And she said to him, "It's very good that you've come to to go for a pilgrimage and see the Jo Shakyamuni statue in Lhasa, but you've got a lot of gold tied around your belt and within your cloak. So you better be really careful about all that gold and all that jewelry that you've got on it. Lhasa may be a pure realm, but there are some thieves here. So you better be careful of those thieves, because you never know who might try to snatch your gold and such. And if that happens, then not only is there no benefit to having come for the Dharma. In fact, there are there's not only is there no benefit to having come on pilgrimage, but there are also problems and faults, and there's also wrongs that will come of it.
다 네모데스 말 네모데 정강게 아마디기 랍자 망부게 다 그디 고송 라이스 다 간다 이내야 오늘 고라 라자 좋아하는 데잖아 세 유제 탐지 암타나 룩니 침브레스 세 유제 탐지 디나 룩니 침브레스 주제 좋아치 되네 꾸마 디즈기 민디솔라 kumaadis da mindi zola da ser mangbo yo sam tene midi je tene chimbares ta tene gozo di bombo de zo 다 데모로 망보다에서 데모 망보다라더니 데모 데서라 셈이 되는 칸도연 제 데데베 겁리야 되네 다다디 당기 랍자 결정 상황 제소 제소는 조 만제 거네 라세 조 만제 거네 예 나로를 말해 거네 꾸마디즈기 세르다 겐자다 타나 포르바춘제 상말로 꾸마 구이니 기소레스 이나 그 하고요 그 하마오체 되네 라세 좋은 제 찾으사네 되네 신이 세르당 겐자 상말 라서 하고는 되네 무기 되네 바고 코랑 무기 코랑 가라 되네 그 라레스타 나서 퍼유리 대베 갈라야 조게 투지 셴버레스가도스 니지 셴버레스가도스 바트링 오늘 투지면 하고송스 예 미세 가나 사샤베기 세든 의디 타나 퍼바든지 상마 토송 라세 조랑 팅지 제가 용디 니데 찬로이나 망보 제가 용나다 간디 찬로
So the landlady gave him a lot of advice. He listened to it and he said he understood it. But then when he was going, he just put all of his jewelry inside his cloak. He tucked it inside his cloak. He put all his jewelry and all his gold in there. He put his cup and everything in there. And then he went off. Now, the thieves in Lhasa watched him carefully. They followed him. And this chieftain from Amdo was walking around, and there's so many things to look at. He was looking at all of the different things that he just forgot all of the advice. He had all of his gold and jewelry and even his cup tucked inside his cloak, and he just forgot about it entirely. And so the thieves were very clever, and they managed to steal everything, all of his gold, all of his jewelry, and even his cup, before he even got to the Jowo Shakyamuni statue. And so he went to the statue and he saw the statue, and then only at that point did he realize that he'd been robbed of everything. He had nothing left, no gold, no jewelry, not even a cup. And then at that point he started to cry, and with tears streaming down his face, he said, "I've come all the way. While I was in my homeland, we thought of the Jowo Shakyamuni as being so compassionate and being greatly compassionate. But now, only once I've gotten here have I realized how little compassion you have. These are all the jewelry, and all the gold that I've gathered up through in my entire lifetime, and just seeing you once, it's all gone. I don't know how it is that anyone could ever see you more than once."
Today you say the minginjirendu sam. Chosa the minginjirendu sam da ko ten da. Ne da Quran drangana pa losos. Drangana losos sana. Da drangangi neboti karsati nezadi nemodi. Da ko mudegi ve toin du sana. Da karesus tires, ke kares. Da kezu pögi cho, da pösla ro yanti du. Pögi cho de tuji chembremidos. Nga tangbu solaris. Nga tangbu tons. Tare nebotegi. Da kyoran de lebjuyo manes. Nge kyoran de labje gyayin bas khasangma. Labje gyayin di manyeba di pungsoro madobe. Lasa chola tawa zaneyo manes da. Tabe lasa chola nyeba zaneyo manes. Lares.
And so he really thought to himself, the Jowo is really terrible. What a horrible person the Jowo is. And so he went back to the inn, and when he got there, he spoke with the landlady, saw him, and she saw him crying, and she said, "What happened to you?" And he said, "You Tibetans," and here saying Tibetan meaning Central Tibet, you talk about your Jowo Shakyamuni, but he has no compassion at all. He's turned me into a beggar, complete beggar now. And then the landlady said, You shouldn't say that. I warned you. I told you all about it. It's your fault for not listening. It's not the Jo's fault in any way. The Jo did nothing wrong.
Then ko tando tobasan bajo de o ta den ko cho di jik che shin ge se ma do be ngma ngarang ge kangben kyorang ge kangben na re ne zang na she du san su ji ge chong ge ka min du chogan na le du cho kangba na le du me ba cha den cho di shin ge da ma do de la ne de ne a ko tando tobasan de res.
But he still suspected something and he said, before I left and I was in your inn, I had everything. No one had taken anything from me. When I got to see the Jo Shakyamuni, there was nothing left. The Jo definitely knows what's up.
Serdang udan disu da jamne ngone da chik samarbe ta dinir bijin du she che kunjo sombo de da ji ba ji jamne ya chele yere yugire de imne da jamne zo ro sana da jamne ga thamba ma yin biche japje sa de en serdang uda da din san ro ji mina en pe sha da de le ba japje che pe sha la so no dane 오늘 전에 봐 인생 가셔야지 님이고 군조스분들 저 잠르던데 내가 잠르 샴 오늘 잠르듯이 지 간도연 계절로 되는 내가 맞으나 미세 님이 고메고 계셔 맞다 간다 드레르 제 뉴스 디균셀 되네 다대기 군조스분 자외 겸내서 kelem 디고 있어요.
And so for him, his real source of refuge, what he thought of as his real source of refuge was his gold and his silver. Of course, he included the 3 jewels in his source of refuge, but they weren't his primary and not his highest source of refuge. His actual source of refuge he thought of as his gold and his silver. So for us these days, it's our money. If we lose our money, then we're not going to sleep. We won't have any sleep for several days or several nights. But if there are a few days where we don't manage to recite our refuge prayers, forget to go to refuge, we don't lose any sleep over that. And so this is what we mean when we talk about the 3 jewels as the basic or the foundational primary source of refuge.
다 되려면 어다들이 뉴스나 디균zel 되네 간다르 지가르에 다 대양 아주기 텔레 트레이드 쉬비미나 아주 남유행기 디 까마 감상기서 말다 까마 감상기 되네 까마 거유기 원주 초신 디상다 원주 초신 초신 그 탕가 초신이 세당 이제 망보 용대도 이내 원주 초신이 세당 될이야 아는 도스파다 되주산에 눈주를 가시 봐 나랑 그 통주엘이야 원주 초신이 세당디 천년을지 용거여다매다선 되게 더버를 치고 더버 영어 윤선 가셔야죠 직대 가라서나 나 류리야 이담디죠 샤베 커돌이야 에네 이담고 나로다 이담고 쪼디 지당 그 유탐제게다 이담디 다 쪼디 콜로 대셔 다 뭐유군기 영인디 콜로 대셔 임체 안에 그 유바 탐제게 다보 그 유바 탐제게 냠내기 쪼디 콜로 대셔 저게 위메래 디 나네 장한테는 까만 감사한데 다 콜로 대셔기 나네 장 데 융가데 좋은 제네 도시 파모 도시 파모도 좋은 제에 왜 인주산에 되네 이담기 좋은로디 다 오늘 지나다 도시 파모 연구야 로 치기 요래 예 원주 초신 세단 님버들에 나올래 조 도지 파모 지잡들이 망보 제수 이나 팅상기 감상 응원을 초시 망보지기 데 이담기 조디 콜로 덴셔 이메지 콜로 덴셔 대야 되네 퍼지 덴셔디 양디 가르소에 가르소에写下的 망보여 되지写的 차 망보여 되지 되지 버제다 덴저 지불로르지나 가르지라 다 지불로인데 지불로르지면로 다 지부벨로 주진 지부벨로를 들이 지면로 이나 주진 지부벨로기 덴저데 남규 감사나로를 쉽지기 냠네 잡는 거 말에 반대 주숨 캠베기 토덤 안생아에 나제의 규백이 덴저데 덴저 링기 시시 천이지 봐도 요 말에 르인두산에 따디 간제르시나 섬드르직 더버르직 사소.
Now, to sort of digress from here on speaking about refuge, in the Karma Kamsan tradition, we have the 4 special preliminaries, among which there is going for refuge and prostrations. And in the tankas of the field of accumulations, that is the tankas for the refuge practice, within these tankas, I think there are some mistakes, and I wonder if these are actually the authentic, and I suspect that they may not be the authentic images. And there are several reasons for this. The first of these is that in the tankas, in the front, there are all the yidam deities. Now, within the Kaju tradition in general, Chakra Samvara is the primary deity as the primary deity of the mother tantras. And so the primary practices for all of the Dakpo Kaju lineages is Chakra Samvara. For the Karma Kamsam tradition, it is the feminine aspect of this, the mother or Vajravarahi, whom we primarily practice. And so really the primary Yidam deity should be Vajravarahi in these tankas. And that is how it is in some old tankas that I have seen. They place Vajravarahi as the primary Yidam deity. However, these days, most of the tankas of the refuge tree make the primary deity into Chakra Samvara. And the Chakra Samvara that they depict is one who has many faces and many arms. So this is the Chakra Samvara from the tradition of Drilbupa. So that's the position of the great master Drilbupa. However, this is not the Chakra Samvara practice that we do in the Kamsam tradition. There are the 5 sets of 5 deities of Dusum Kempa, and among them there is Chakra Samvara. The form of Chakra Samvara that is found in that tradition, in our tradition, is the co-emergent deity with 1 face and 2 arms. And so this should be the primary deity.
다른 신기 이담 다 조디 이담 도시 파모체 델레야다 이담 시줄 하소 이거 되고 알아 이제 고르주산에 아니 이담 델레야 아주 뒤숨케베가 토담 가생아 수베난다 지 조데다 도시 파모도 이미 인주산에 대기 파모랑아디 디 전도도 된 대타고르도 되는 드마랑알라서베기 나제 현기 꼴데버든지 TV네야 즉 디지털 진짜 TV네 아버지라서 something도 디지털이야 겨워야서 랑아디 아니 까마보 군지니바 주신 까마보시기 다 이담 개발도 봐봐 인주산 텔레데네 까마 감상다 이담 조치에 테르 개시에 테르도 샤디오레 안데 인주산에 제너에서보다 이담 개체체도 봐도 디나르야 소신기 경고 나로리아 소신 나로를 봐 이담기 텔이야 지 제아를 무슨 shum이나 아니 야부르 주면서 좀 들을 재서
So the primary deity should be Vajravarahi, and then she should be surrounded by many of the deities, some in union and so forth. And these should primarily be the deities who are taught in the Dusum Khempa's 5 sets of 5 deities. So Vajravarahi is one of these deities, and she's surrounded by her retinue. So the 5 deities of Vajravarahi are included. But then she should be surrounded by the other deities of 5 sets of 5 deities, including Tara and so forth. And if the tankas were drawn in this fashion, then it would be good, I think. Likewise, there are the 5 deities of Gyalvagyatso or Jinasagara. So Gyalvagyatso was a special Yidam deity of the second Karmapakshi, and because of this, Gyalvagyatso has become one of the primary, or is included as one of the main deities of the Karma Kamsan tradition, and so he should also be depicted. So I think that if the tankas were painted in this manner, then I think that would be very good.
다드네 양치기 가르쳤는데 월이야. 다 최경 숙마도 줘야. 최경 숙마도 지도사네. 나랑 엄마 초주가리야 진유에 소신나라려야지 최경 망고쇼저 다바지 감상게 최경 유세데 디나 지구 예바르 지구 지구야바르 유차르 체리 다임빈에 대야지 드니 다티사 소신 탕가 망고지 나라라베 워드려 최경 오늘네 최경 주니시 지도 가시는 나랑게 왜습니다 가르면 이제 가셔 지 근데 가리 하시라랑 고정면도 간다 제네다 최경 망고 싶지 지도 대대 최경 망고 싶지 지대야 돼 가지고 지나 삼천게 뭐게 탕가닝과 대주 나라려야 다 망고용 가르숨스 지다지다가 최경으로 제위미나 아니 최경디 바데 뒤숨 캠베게 다 두모마인비 고랑기 리규네 고랑기 파메는 마 유대비 최경데 되네 라모를 좀 게모 다 라모로 구송토기 라모 숨 예배 나네다 버제 토기 라모데 말베 드리시래 되네 런중 게모래 되네 조진 까마 버시 걸리야 까마 버시디에 다양 고랑기 미규디 닝메 미규지도세 인주산에 되네 지 공보당 공보 베르나보당 다는 신기 가수다 다는 신기 되게 포냐 베나지기다 칠레주베 까니기 칠레주베기 칠레주베 랭게 조르디 안에 탐제 도르질리고 도시미 인주산에 대나버니 때문에 대주산다 망고용 가르숨세 아니 다 까마감상기다 최근 tum가르베다지 최경 조르디 대숨 차려다 지단 대마인비 되는지 최경 코로나사들 영디 열봐 코로나 다들이 남주 탕간닝버디 주나로 망고용 가르숨마도 신다가 민도 아들이 주산에 아니 바 드디 먼저 초신 나라로 조 give you said that we have been just the nalo la de be 최경 미게 통제 베르제 과제디 야비게 주샤나 아야다 드기라면아서 도와지 사소
Now in the tankas, below the Yidam deities, there are all of the Dharma protectors, the Dharmapalas and the Dharma protectors. And so when I thought of this when I was young, I thought, when I was little, I thought, this should be all of the Karma Kamsang Dharma protectors. They should all be there. But when we look at the refuge tankas, then for the Dharma protectors, actually there are like 10 or 20 different protectors there, and I don't even know who several of them are. And so they just draw a lot of different Dharma protectors there, and I wonder, how is it that can be right? actually there should be the three Dharma protectors, the Ranjung Lhamo, the Gompo Bernak Chen, and Dorje Lakpa. So for Dusum Khenpa, his particular Dharma protector that came from his ancestral lineage was the self-arisen goddess of the self-arisen queen, or the Ranjung Gyalmo. And so there are actually three of these goddesses, the deities of body, speech, and mind. And so she is probably probably here we mean the deity of the mind, the self-arisen queen, or Palden Lhamo. And then Karmapakshi, the Mahasiddha Karmapakshi, came from a Nyingma family, and his protectors were the protector Bernak Chen, the protector with the black coat, and then also the messenger or servant of Bernak Chen, the Dorje Lakpa. He's the primary deity who accomplishes the activity of Bernak Chen, so that is Dorje Lakpa. And so in this way, the primary Dharma protectors in the refuge Tanka should be Palden Lhamo, Gompo Bernak Chen, and Dorje Lakpa. But that's not how we generally see it. We generally see it written, see the Tankas drawn with many different Dharma protectors put in there. But in the old Tankas, if we look at it, we should only see we only see those. In the old Tankas, there are only those three protectors who are included. Now, when we were doing the Ngundo practices, the preliminary practices, probably they think that, all of the sources of refuge should be put there, so we should draw all of the Dharma protectors in the Tanka. But I really wonder whether this is okay or not.
다 될래요. 지당에 라막 담박하시에 가르친 거로서나 아니 아주 초신 세대에 걸리야 딱 안에 교육 세대 거래. 겹수에 같이 그게 초신 전략 shagoore. Tene Hindustane ne chögyong yishiba madobe jigden badiso shogyo marason. Ya lama tamba khashe garason sana ngo yishiba yina ya namba jigden bi tsuson diso yang shogyo manas. Soshin nalolya shogyo manas. De shame je gumzena bji gumzen samara pe chashanas. Pe chashabi bina pena lama chimbonro bji dang pombo chimbonro bji tindeji. Dago secret samara sangdab ge ngane 미패바 봐 주인이 somara 미패바 임바는 신체네 둘러도 미규만은 신 거네 아니 치료를 침비미나 치료를 저에 걸이야 성답전 저에 걸이야 아니 카식 봄보디랑 라마들 규여바 카식 라마디다 봄보디 임바 모시에나야 모싱그라 참서 고 둘러 패바 괜되네 그 동바디 모싱그라 동바 모싱디 산에 아니 람상티네 모신도사 안나 람상티 남규 라마를 지게바나지 차체 되는 제비나 라마데 투니가 말았어. 꼭 알아서는 간주니 상답기 상답 미패벌 주디베 걸 그 남규네 제제 차체들 제샤 그 라마 고너서 그러. 민디 네 최시 축주 네 플랜 축주도 산. 드네 뉴스나 딱 거기 라마 상답 주비다 하고 인도산 고랑게 남주 미패버는 신체 코벤나네 하고나야 야 직칠로리아 하고만 정도도 대대비나 라마 디카레 라마나 bomben디 투니르스 다가는 신기 최종 20바디 종어 20바이네 남바 직팀이 추송 거고 그거 윤세 알았어 남바 직팀이 추송되버들량 아주 양배지 시비지 베가르 20번은 시바야 집이 짜잖아. 고수 콘로사야나 고수 투게 하고 말았어. 근데 유산 디균zel 때네 거의 지딘 비추선 거를 거버 윤제야래. 근데 거버 윤제 예반은 디살 봐. 샤샤나 야 얼마다 딜이야 시비지 제지야. 20tel이야. 봐. 야쪽지 저비나 샤들이잖아. 아니 저거 말해서 안 되겠어.
Now, there's some great lamas who say that when we draw the refuge tanka, then it should include all of the sources of refuge, but not those who are not really sources of refuge. So for that reason, only the wisdom Dharma protectors should be included, and not the worldly Dharma protectors. And in fact, there are some who also say that even if the protector is a wisdom Dharma protector, if they take a worldly form, they should not be put in the tanka. And so what is the reason for that? Well, the reason for that they give by an example. It's like, the example is, sometimes you have a great lama or a great minister or official of some sort. They want to go out in disguise. They don't want to go out in their normal form. They want to go out in disguise. They put on ordinary clothes and sort of disguise themselves, and they go out in secret wearing this disguise. Then imagine that there is someone who recognizes that official or recognizes that lama. They recognize them, but when they recognize them, if they wearing the ordinary clothes and so forth, they recognize them. Then at that point, they need to treat them like an ordinary person. If that person who sees them then recognizes the lama and then prostrates to them and so forth, and then like that, prostrates to them and treats them with respect and so forth, then the lama or the official's disguise is blown, and they're unhappy about this. And so someone who is smart in this in this instance, someone who is smart will realize, oh, they're in disguise, and so they'll treat them not in the way they ordinarily would, but even though they know inside, they'll treat them as a regular person. And by doing this, then they're able to please the lama or to please the official. So it's the same, they say, with the Dharma protectors, the wisdom Dharma practitioners, or wisdom Dharma protectors. In essence, they may be wisdom deities, but they may take a worldly form, and there are reasons for why they're taking worldly forms. So therefore, when we take these and we elevate them into some high position, then they're not pleased about it. There are reasons why they need to appear in worldly forms, and to elevate them into the level of the wisdom deities is not okay, say these lamas.
카시에 삼려나는 최교사한테 비지 소수 숨겹쟁이 소수 보디가르로 진행 상태는 데 유스래 카시지 소수 숨겹쟁이 보디가르로 진행 상태네 데 말에 그렇죠 민의 최경다도 최경계 최숨겹쟁이를 마도 미게르바지 숨겹쟁이 보디가 말에 드네인주사 카시에 삼려나는 소수 개바 숨겹쟁이인데서 나를 내버쟁이 돈의 최경 땅 따다서 기타는 시제 나를 내버쟁이 돈은 텔레 최경의 기타는 시체는 봐 소잡주 들으죠 봐 나를 팬도 챙겨도는 야텔레 최경당 고베 약보소 나를 내버 챙겨도는 아니 콜레 최경당 꼭딱다서 근데 말에 이 미겔라 다 되지 딱보 다 되지 말해 대 멤버팅도 최경 체단 되면서 이미나 그거 가르쳐나 수수 최대 팀바 루나 답교시그래 수수체도 믿음을 두는 소소를 내버게요. 가라 바제 땅. 그 최경이라 와. 근데 최승급 증인데 수수의 최대 팀을 두고 매면 최경되게 다들 최대 믿음을 두게 되는 내버게요 와. 인도산에 전에 디균zel 때에 최경사의 최승계의 마도에 강사 계를 승급 증이었어. 말해. 이나야. 전에 최대 팀을 두고 이미나 라니기 최대 팀법에 냠내치들 두고 임비입니다. 아니 최경대속이 라나야 최대 팀법 중간 가사들 네버 체베 파르제다 기다 탐제 살지고 알아. 데 디양 고쳐고로 맞지. 삼사 최경선데 바지 직 가르쳐야지. 다 수수 게르기 보디가드 지 인사사로 보 게르기 다 수마도 지 인사사로 다 들이 챙거 봐. 최경 체는 내면 집이나 드려야 말아. 이제 균선 때네. 도나 다 등기 주변에 시래. 다지 초신은 나라래. 최경 망고 지려야 돼. 최경 망고 집이는 검도 말해. 다 드린 주산에. 다 될래 봐 최경. 다 디 망경 가르선도 드리시 주경시 여비는 바지 드르면도 섬들을 챙도 대도 뭐죠나야 베는데 바지 고랑 고모 고랑 나 그냥 고모 아래 다 고모 집어서 그냥 한번 도트에 나지 다들 인도산에 다 추경 부주도 무주니 예외체 다디니 예나 되는 바지 저기 길삼 정도 드린 인도산에 단도나 진짜로 직통네. 어다디 이 오늘 소신 트렌드지. 나도 지나 가셔스금도.
Sometimes when we say Dharma protectors, people think of them as like bodyguards for individuals. But that's not how they are. The name they're given is Dharma protectors. So they're not there to be bodyguards. They're there to protect the Dharma. So they're particular. So often we think of them that we have the Dharma protectors, and if someone does something harmful to us, then we're going to set the Dharma protectors on them, like a dog. It's like we're setting a dog on someone else, and like the Dharma protectors are going to go bite the people who harm us, like the dog going to bite them. And if they treat us well, then the Dharma protector, or if they help us, then the Dharma protectors will then treat them well. But if they harm us, then we're going to set the Dharma protectors on them. But the Dharma protectors aren't like that. They're not protectors for individuals. They're not bodyguards for individuals. An authentic Dharma protector protects the Dharma, and so if we practice the Dharma properly, then they will benefit us, and if not, they will cause us difficulties and obstacles. So it is the Dharma that they are protecting, and so if we do not practice the Dharma, then if we aren't practicing the Dharma properly, then the Dharma protectors are not going to benefit us. So it is the Dharma protectors are protecting the Dharma. They are not bodyguards for individuals. However, if we are doing our Dharma practice properly, according to the Dharma, then the bodyguards will help us by eliminating all those those who cause us difficulties and who make obstacles for us. And so this is something that we need to understand, that they're Dharma protectors, not individual bodyguards. Sometimes we think about them as being, the Dharma protectors as being similar to bodyguards, but that is not really the authentic Dharma protectors. And so as I was mentioning before, when we talk about the refuge tankas, then we often draw them, they're often drawn with many Dharma protectors in them, but actually we can't even visualize that many Dharma protectors. And so for the Dharma protectors, it would be fine if we just had the three of Rajang Lhamo or Bernak Chen and Dorje Lakpa. That would be fine. In fact, if you can't even visualize that, it might be fine to just have the protector Bernak Chen, but if you have just Bernak Chen, then maybe Palden Lhama will get a little miffed at you. So better not do that. Maybe if you just imagine that there's some male and female Dharma practitioners, that would be fine. So at any rate, this completes my digression about the refuge tanka.